Welcome to AI Tech. Today we explore the ultimate comparison of 2025. Grok AI versus CapCut. Two powerful AI tools, each dominating a different world. One built for intelligence, reasoning, and creativity at the thinking level, and the other designed for production, editing, visuals, and storytelling. In this complete breakdown, we will discover which one is truly better for creators, editors, coders, and everyday users. Grok AI is an advanced reasoning model created by xAI. It understands questions deeply, generates creative ideas, explains concepts, solves problems, and produces scripts, prompts, and detailed analysis. With its 2025 update, Grok AI became faster, smarter, more accurate, and capable of generating high-quality images with improved realism and detail. It now offers better memory, stronger context understanding, and more creative output than previous versions. On the other hand, CapCut is a full AI-powered video editing studio. It focuses on editing, visual effects, cinematic transitions, templates, and video rendering. In 2025, CapCut's new update introduced 3D video generation, AI scene building, CGI effects, auto-editing, lip sync, beat sync 3.5, smart audio tools, and upgraded templates. It is the easiest and most powerful tool for YouTube videos, reels, shorts, storytelling, advertisements, and cinematic projects. Grok AI works through a conversational interface. You type, it replies, it helps with writing, scripts, captions, concepts, planning, and creativity. CapCut works through a visual timeline where you drag and drop clips, add effects, animations, transitions, captions, and music. Grok is intelligence. CapCut is execution. In terms of speed, Grok AI responds instantly with ideas and solutions. CapCut depends on your device's performance. Video exporting takes time, especially with heavy effects. If you need knowledge fast, Grok wins. If you need video results, CapCut wins. When it comes to image generation, Grok AI creates realistic images and detailed 3D concepts using advanced understanding. CapCut creates beautiful visuals too, especially stylized 3D characters, anime scenes, cinematic shots, and futuristic effects. Grok focuses on realism and accuracy. CapCut focuses on creativity and visual style. Both are strong, but in different ways. For video generation, CapCut is the clear winner. 2025 update includes fully automated video creation, 3D environment building, story creation, AI dubbing, CGI movement, and professional-grade templates. Grok can help you write the ideas for a video, but CapCut becomes the video thing. In audio and voiceover tools, CapCut includes hundreds of AI voices in multiple languages with clean sound, expression, and control. Grok does not include built-in audio production. CapCut dominates for voice, music, sound effects, and mixing. For captions and titles, Grok writes excellent text, descriptions, and dialogue, but CapCut automatically generates subtitles, animated text, motion titles, and YouTube-style overlays. If you want intelligent writing, Grok helps. If you want them visually animated on a video, CapCut delivers. CapCut's new 2025 AI smart tools include auto-reframing, instant background removal, gesture animation, face enhance 2.0, smart filters, beat matching, and cinematic transitions. These make video editing fast, clean, and professional. Grok AI offers intelligent reasoning, advanced explanation, coding help, research assistance, and deep thinking tools. They are powerful in different areas. One for brain, one for visuals. For creators, CapCut is a complete production studio. It is extremely friendly for beginners. You don't need editing skills templates and AI do the work. Grok requires typing and command-based thinking, but once mastered, it becomes the ultimate creative assistant for writing scripts, ideas, dialogues, and prompts. For YouTubers, CapCut is essential to finalize videos, add effects, transitions, subtitles, and polish. But Grok is essential for writing the script, planning the video, brainstorming scenes, and generating thumbnail prompts. CapCut builds the video. Grok builds the brain behind it. CapCut's 2025 template update includes futuristic CGI scenes, YouTube intro templates, clean vlogs, product showcases, TikTok trends, 3D cinematic templates, character animations, and professional title screens. Grok doesn't provide templates because its purpose is intelligence, not production. In real-world testing, if you ask Grok to create a cinematic sci-fi scene, it gives you an excellent description. If you ask CapCut the same question, it generates the actual 3D video. Grok thinks, CapCut creates. Together, they form the perfect combination for modern creators. CapCut has a massive global creator community, sharing templates, transitions, tutorials, and presets. Grok has a strong developer and tech audience. CapCut is used by millions of YouTubers, editors, and content creators, while Grok is used by writers, programmers, researchers, and learners. Beginners find CapCut much easier because everything is visual. Grok requires more reading, writing, and command understanding. For professional use, CapCut is ideal for content creators. Grok is ideal for analytical thinkers, developers, podcasters, and anyone who needs high-level reasoning support. So, which one is better, Grok AI or CapCut? The truth is, they are not rivals. They are built for different purposes. Grok is for thinking. CapCut is for creating. Grok gives you the ideas. CapCut brings those ideas to life. You don't choose one, you use both. Imagine Grok writes your script, your thumbnail prompt, your scene ideas. And then CapCut turns everything into a professional video with cinematic effects, 3D animation, clean voiceovers, and powerful editing tools. Together, in 2025, they form the perfect AI combo for YouTube creators and AI storytellers. Thank you for watching this full breakdown of Grok AI versus CapCut. If you enjoyed this comparison, tell us in the comments which tool you prefer. And make sure to subscribe to AI Tech for more futuristic updates, tutorials, and AI comparisons. The future is AI, and we're here to explore it.